couldn't find any Just bar here in Novara, Italy, and I was craving a martini cocktail. There's no martini around, so I have to provide myself. And this is what I'm going to make it myself. I found some old olives in my fridge. I had this very old-time vodka bottle that I have there for years. I have my cocktail glass and shaker. Let's see. We need a good vermouth to make that. Of course, I have a spoon, a cocktail spoon. I see it every time. Now that I need it, I don't find it. Let's see. Of course, I cannot find it, but I found a cigar and I found an olive picker, I guess. I don't know how to call that. Let's see. Every time you look for something, you see every time, right? Can't find it. I don't know. I cannot find it. I will use as a regular spoon, I guess. Maybe it's here. I don't know. Anyway, I'm at home. I use my regular spoon. I need to see how make it really cold, right? We need some olive juice, right? There we go. This is the dirty martini, okay? Stir, no shake. Better the other way. Where are you? So the original martini, dirty martini, would be just vodka, olive juice, right? Throw this away, make it really cold. A little bit of vermouth. You just clean the glass with it. Just clean the glass like that. Throw it away. You just throw it away in the sink, but the table is fine as well. Shake it again, stir again. There we go. There we go. I have the hand still. There we go. One olive. I have everything I don't need. What about 3 olives? One, two. 2 olives, that's good. Cheers. That's it. I have my own bar, my own Florida.
Let me find in your hands that are touching me. It's not your lips.
Love it. Love it. I need some parmesan now. I need some parmesan now. Alexa, lower down. I just have the end of the parmesan. Yep. Cheers to you guys.
Let me be the only food for your embrace. Let me fall upon my face. I like this strange.
This reminds me of my really good friend Ricardo Zulo and Rick Zulo. We used to go to a place called Blue Martini, right? In Orlando. Sometimes. It was fun. So, cheers to you guys.
It's a risk I like to take.
That's it.
And the hope I
Adios.
never